When the sun sets, most birds sleep, but some come alive. Owls rule the night, silent wings, laser-sharp hearing, and eyes built for darkness. Nightjars don't hunt by sight, they hunt by sound, snapping insects mid-air. Herons turn into night fishermen, standing perfectly still, waiting, then strike. Even songbirds wake briefly at night, calling softly to stay connected in the dark. Moonlight, streetlights, starlight. For these birds, night isn't dangerous, it's opportunity. This is the hidden nightlife of birds. Follow Critter Chronicles for more secrets nature hides after dark.